over 4,500 dedicated workers at the Honda Alabama auto plant just celebrated a major milestone: the production of the brand new 2026 Honda Passport and Passport TrailSport. These models are set to be the most off-road capable Honda SUVs ever, and the Passport TrailSport is hailed as Honda's ultimate adventure machine. Imagine this: a rugged SUV loaded with steel skid plates, heavy-duty recovery hooks, and all-terrain tires built for both off-road versatility and smooth on-road performance. What's more, the Alabama team worked closely with Honda's R&D folks in Ohio to refine the design and boost efficiency with some brand new manufacturing processes. Speaking of innovation, the Alabama auto plant has rolled out some seriously advanced techniques for the new Passport. One cool example is a tool that uses ultrasonic welders to install flush-mount parking sensors. This tool works across multiple models without needing separate equipment. Plus, for the first time ever, they're using a front-end module assembly process that lets workers actually step into the vehicle's front to install engine components. This not only streamlines production, but also keeps the build quality sky-high. And check out the details. The matte finish on the exterior garnishes is engineered to prevent scratches when customers lean their gear against the van, with precise late-stage adjustments ensuring top-notch quality. Under the hood, the plant also produces the very engine powering the Passport, a 3.5-liter V6 that delivers 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, while the new 10-speed automatic transmission is crafted at Honda's Georgia plant. This facility isn't just about the Passport, though. It's also the production home for popular models like the Pilot, Odyssey minivan, and Ridgeline pickup. With over 6 million vehicles produced since its inception, the Honda Alabama auto plant stands as a true powerhouse of innovation and quality.